Hey friends! So I wanted to do a quick update on my microneedling process and my whole acne scar journey. So this is about 6 months after I posted my first video of my microneedling journey, and so since then I've gotten about 4 other microneedling treatments. So from then I've had 4 more microneedling sessions. On top of that, I've had a little bit of laser genesis, which also helps with acne scarring. And then on top of that, some facials here and there. So I wanted to just get up on here. I have no makeup on. I'm about to get ready. We're about to go to Coney Island. I'm about to get ready. My hair's not done. My makeup's not done. But honestly, I wanted to come here barefaced and just show you guys the process of what's going on with my face. It's gotten so much better. Right now I'm dealing more with large pores, which honestly is more genetic. So it's going to take me some more time to shrink those pores, and what they say is just to get regular facials. Make sure you wash your face morning and night thoroughly so there's no clogged pores. I wear mattifying lotion, which I'll show you guys in my next video of how I get ready. And stuff like that to kind of minimize the pores. So I just want you to, whenever you do see my face up close, it's kind of, for me, it's a little bit hard to differentiate between the acne scars and large pores. So just be aware of that, I would say. And here we go. Let's get close to my face, I guess. That is my left side. And this is my right side. And I will also put more zoomed in pictures for you guys, just in case this wasn't enough or it wasn't showing up perfectly on screen. I will keep doing these just because this is, again, a work in progress, and I really do think that this is beneficial for everyone who is looking to start their microneedling journey. And I just wanted to also say thank you so much for all the love on my previous video. It almost hit 88,000 views and over like 40 comments or something like that. And I'm so happy that I'm able to help you guys. Feel free to comment on this video or my previous video asking any other microneedling related questions. I mean, whether it be microneedling or acne scars, honestly, but I'm just so happy I can help. And please don't be ashamed of your acne scars or any discoloration or hyperpigmentation on your skin. I'm with you. We're on the same boat. I just wanted to say, just don't be scared to show your real self, your real skin. So many people are dealing with acne scars or hyperpigmentation. So we're in this together, and I'm literally coming up on here on YouTube showing my real skin. And I just want to say you should not be afraid to show it. But I did want to say that just because I am doing these microneedling treatments and facials and laser treatments just to make myself feel better and look better, but honestly 90% of the time I'm not wearing makeup. And we really should not feel self-conscious just because we have acne scars or acne or hyperpigmentation. So yeah, I just really wanted to just say that. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support on my YouTube channel. I also hit 1,000 subscribers, which I'm so excited about. This is kind of vlog style, so it's really informal. I'm so excited that you guys can follow along on my skincare journey with me. I'll take you guys to more facials, some more insight of what I do to help my skin and what I do on a weekly basis or daily basis. Whether it be my nighttime routine or my morning routine, I'll take you guys along with me. Thank you guys so much for the support. I love you guys so much. Until next time, bye!